Absent si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos sa taunang parangal sa The Outstanding Young Men ng JCI Philippines at TOIM Foundation sa Malacanang.
While the President could not be with us in person, he asked me to convey his warm greetings and his message to everyone here.
Sa press briefing, pinaliwanag ng palasyo ang dahilan ng pagliban ng Pangulo.
The President spent the night under medical observation as a precautionary measure after experiencing discomfort. His doctors advise rest and monitoring, and his condition remains stable.
Kinumpirma ng palasyo na sa isang pribadong ospital sa Quezon City inobserbahan at nagpalipas ng gabi ang Pangulo. Pero balik Malacanang na. Naglabas ng video si Palace Press Officer Claire Castro at kinumusta ang Pangulo.
I'm fine. I'm feeling very different from the way I was feeling before. Naayos na yung problem. What happened was I now have diverticulitis. It's a common complaint amongst apparently people who are heavily stressed and people who are, I have to admit, growing old.
Ang diverticulitis ay pamamaga ng bahagi ng large intestine na nagdudulot ng matinding pananakit ng tiyan. Pinaghihinay raw ng doktor ang Pangulo pero tila imposible ito ayon sa kanya sa dami raw ng kanyang trabaho.
So sir, ano mensahe niyo doon sa mga taong nais na kayo mawala sa pwesto?
Okay, huwag kayo muna masyadong excited dahil it's not a life-threatening condition.
So sir, wala kaming dapat ipag-alala?
Wala, huwag kayo mag-alala. The rumors of my death are highly exaggerated.